I have a Frigidaire fftr1222qw that is not turning on and controls are flashing.
So there is no built-in logic for this refrigerator that causes the display board to blink, which means that your display board is just shorted for one reason or another. You'll need to order and replace the display board to replace this issue, I'm sorry to say. Below is a link to the part and it's about $100. Click here for control board. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
I just put a brand new display board in it. Compressor is not firing up. Evap motor is turning on and off, period stays on for 1 to 2 seconds, off for about 10.
Are you sure you replaced the correct part number? Hash, because if so then something is shorting it out. Try to unplug the compressor and fans and see if it boots up. If not, then your control board is just faulty and needs to be returned to get a new one.
Why is the control flashing? And why when I push control panel 1 stays on and 2, 3, 4 flash? All lights stay on for trucks 23 seconds, turn off for 1, come back on for 3. When I hit the set button and hold it once a solid and it flashes to hashtag and then to 345 and then goes back to solid. Boobs 3 seconds, not 23 seconds.
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you have been waiting, do not worry or get upset. I am Appliance HVAC Guru, a very experienced tech on here, and I try to get to as many customers as I can. I just picked up your question now. Please allow time for me to respond. Sometimes I get the questions or responses late, so please be patient as I have no control over the site issues. Note: I have nothing to do with your payment to the site and did not receive that money. You say it is flashing 8008s?
No. This is a 12 cubic foot refrigerator. When you open the door, all 5 lights flash for approximately 3 seconds, go off, come back on for approximately 3 seconds, go off. When I hold the set button, 1 is solid plus, 3 plus 4, period goes 1 solid, 2 magenta goes off, 3 comes on, 3 comes off, 4 comes on. 5 does not ever light up in that sequence.
What part number did you install?
It is still doing the same thing.
Can you check your incoming voltage to the unit with a voltmeter?
118.9.
Both boards did the exact same thing?
Same flashes and everything.
Okay, how many plugs are on the board itself? Okay, unplug the one that does not power the board and see what happens.
3 stays on. No more flashing.
Okay, so this is promising. You may have a bad defrost heater circuit or thermistor shorted. Do you have a volt ohm meter? If so, test the defrost heater circuit right at the plug that goes to the board for continuity.
Heater and bimetal check out okay with numeral and ice water. Bimetal, not numeral.
Okay, is there a way you can unplug only the fan motor and then plug everything in and try it? I have seen that fan on other Frigidaire units cause a similar issue.
Wow, compressor fired up. Must be a bad motor. Who gets credit for helping me when I go back up to the top of the page to rate you? You or the other guy?
The other guy opted out. Just credit my post here. Thanks Appliance Guru.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.